Hello world, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to walk you through my sleek personal portfolio website built with Next.js and Tailwind, as well as modern design components and elements, plus a really cool 3D keyboard powered by Spline that brings the hero section to life. This isn't a tutorial, it's a project showcase. If you're looking for inspiration or something to fork and make your own, you're in the right place. Let's take a look at the actual site. Right off the bat, the hero section grabs attention with a 3D model of a keyboard embedded via Spline. It's interactive, smooth, and adds a modern touch without being overwhelming. Scrolling down, I've got the About section. Clean typography, subtle animations, and responsive layout for all screen sizes. Fonts used include Stretch, Morona, Sacramento, and Montserrat. Scrolling down, we have the Bio section, which includes some personal profile details, organized in a Bento grid layout. This modern layout makes the section clean and engaging. And inside one of the Bento cells is a full Tic-Tac-Toe game. It's a fun little addition that boosts interactivity across the site. Just a heads up though, you can't win this game. At best, you'll walk away with a draw. Next is the Skills section, made up of 4 horizontally sliding rows. I used a sliding cards effect to showcase my technical skills using dynamic imports for performance optimization. Each row scrolls smoothly with fading edges to give it a modern, polished touch. The project section uses this aesthetic carousel effect to showcase some of my work. Each project card includes a preview and links out to either live demos or GitHub repositories for deeper dives. Finally, there's a CTA and contact section with a call to action and links to various socials to get in touch, all styled to match the theme. The site is fully responsive, works great on mobile, and loads fast thanks to Next.js optimization. Now let me take you behind the scenes for a quick overview. The tech stack includes Nextjs for server-side rendering, Tailwind for rapid and clean styling, and Spline for embedding the 3D developer keyboard. I kept the folder structure modular. Components and utilities are separated for clarity. You can easily switch out sections or redesign parts. One tricky part was integrating Spline without affecting performance. So I used dynamic and lazy loading to optimize that. Animations were kept lightweight using Tailwind's built-in utilities. If you'd like to use or customize this portfolio, the source code is available on GitHub. Link is in the description. The README includes setup instructions. Just clone the repo, run npm install, then npm run dev, and you're good to go. And if you'd like to support the channel or future projects like this, I've also included a Patreon link, completely optional, but massively appreciated. You can also deploy it easily with Vercel. If you're adding your own Spline model, just replace the embed URL in the component. I'd love it if you gave the repo a star. And if you build something cool with it, tag me. Thanks for watching this showcase. If you enjoyed the design or found this helpful, leave a like and subscribe. It really helps the channel grow. Let me know in the comments if you'd want a full tutorial breaking down how I built this step by step, from setup to deployment. Until then, check the links below, build something awesome, and I'll catch you in the next one.